Hello and welcome to Persian Cuisine. My name is Chef May and today I'm going to share a very special recipe with you. It's my very delicious banana bread. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, bananas, eggs, olive oil, walnuts, raisins, baking powder, and a little bit of sugar. The first thing that you need to do is to mash the bananas. I mash the bananas with a simple fork, just like this. And the next step is I'm going to crack the eggs into a magic bullet, add some sugar, add some olive oil, and mix them up together. I just need to mention that I'm making 2 loaves of banana bread. That's why I'm using 4 eggs, 6 bananas, 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, organic one, and everything that I'm going to use in this is for 2 loaves of banana bread. So here are the 4 eggs. I'm going to mix it in a magic bullet first. Since I'm using this ingredient for 2 loaves of banana bread, I added 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of baking powder. Now I'm going to put it in a blender and mix them again. Here is the beaten egg with sugar, baking powder, and olive oil. I'm going to add it to the bananas and mix them up together. I added 2 cups of flour to the mix. I'm going to mix it with a hand mixer for about a minute or 2 minutes until everything is very well mixed together. Meanwhile, I'm turning the oven to 350 to preheat, and once this mix is ready, I'm going to put it in the oven. At this point, after I mix everything very well together with the hand mixer, I'm going to add 1 cup of walnut and 1 cup of raisin. After you're adding the walnut and the raisin, you can just mix everything together with a fork. That's perfectly fine. Here's a very small trick. If you want to shape your parchment paper, just rinse it, shake it, and then it's going to stay flat. And then cut some slots in the corner, put it on a bread pan, and then I show you the next trick, which I'm adding clips in order to be able to easily add the ingredients into the pan. Here is the trick. When you're adding the paper clips around the corner, is going to keep the parchment paper perfectly in place. Then you can add the ingredients and put it in the oven on 350 for 1 hour. After you're adding the mix into the pan, then you can remove the paper clips, and just to make sure, you're just going to add half of the mix into the pan because this is for 2 loaves of banana bread. Now it's time to put it in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. It's time to take out our beautiful banana bread. Here we go. After 1 hour, our banana bread is ready. You can easily take it out like this. Put it on a cooling rack. Don't cut it because it has to be cooled down before cutting it. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Bon appetit and Noosh Jan. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I love you all. Bye for now.